Hi all. Okay, so we're going to do a modified foundation chain. We're going to do 1, 2, 3. Go into this middle chain, pull up a loop, go into the last, or the first chain, but the last chain, the first one that you made. And we're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. So now we have 3. So we make a chain here, and then we finish the double crochet. So now we go into this bar, pull up a loop, go into the first chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, make a chain, pinch that, and then we yarn over twice. Okay, so it's a double crochet foundation chain, but it's a linked double crochet foundation chain. Okay. And one of the reasons why I pinch that right here when you go into that first chain, I like to pinch it and force this back loop forward when I pinch it. I just kind of turn it a little bit so that when you're ready to come around, you can kind of roll it over onto that hook. So pinch this back loop forward, finish your double crochet, then you make that linkage, and then you finish it as if it were a regular double crochet. But this is a linked double crochet. It causes less gaps. So this will be a very tightly woven fabric, and it won't show a lot of light through. Thanks for watching.